what better way to celebrate than with our 4 children, puppy, and RV, and my parents.
But you can get and push you like this. Before we go meet up with our cousins that live in Texas. Good job. Good job.
I like to see their heads. Hey,
Hi! Kyler, you look so big! How are you?
How you doing, bud?
Smile. We are so excited to see you.
He's almost at.
Oh, look, he was coming to me. Did you see that? He was coming to me.
Grace is almost as tall as my mom.
What?
Yeah,
School early.
he's like an inch tall, an inch smaller.
Then your mom? Oh my word.
Where's sister?
We got the new Ghostbusters Afterlife.
Wow. We haven't.
It's really hilarious. Little baby.
You're home.
He's a really lovable dog.
He's a lot faster than I would expect a sloth to be.
These are given.
They're giving.
Okay, well, that explains it.
Wow, if you could.
I thought we were seeing the sloths here. You hear its shell dragging. Did you hear that? Whoa. Addison said, "Will you take a picture of me?"
It's Carly.
Carly! Carly! Will you take a picture of me? Well, now I'll never forget that it's Carly. That's your sissy's name. Sorry.
It's okay.
Ew! What are they?
I don't know. What are they?
They're kind of weird, huh?
They could bite me.
Ooh.
Otters are dangerous because look at this. They might look cute, but they're actually pretty dangerous.
I don't know if you're supposed to be this involved in the tour, but at least you're submersing yourself.
Okay, let's go.
This might be risky, but my eyes are closed and I've got a, how old are you? 6-year-old guiding me at the zoo.
Because I'm
Very
showing
scary.
you the giraffe.
Wait, the what?
Giraffes. So close your eyes.
They're closed, they're closed.
I got COVID-19 and I hated it. I got COVID-19 and I loved it. Well, I loved it too because I didn't get to go to school. And I could still watch movies though. Yeah, I did that in my mom's room. But the thing is, it's because I couldn't play.
You just stay close.
Yeah, but I could go outside when no one was there.
That was the most amazing conversation about COVID-19 I've ever heard.
Such a heavy topic for these
It's
kids.
still going.
Where is it? Oh, mama, he is big.
No, this is it.
Did you get rid of him?
No, do not.
Oh.
There was no 6-bald eagle.
You're not supposed to eat eagles.
I've never seen it move this fast. I've never seen it move.
you say there, you slithering snake? Raise your hand if you hate snakes and everything about them.
There's poop everywhere. You gotta watch out for doo-doo.
Step lightly. There's really a sea otter just chilling right there. I love your head coat.
I see. Look at the claw.
Oh, I know. That's what I'm saying. Oh. Jared made us a fantastic dinner that we all enjoyed. Now that we made it back to our RV, I'm taking an extra strength odor eliminator. We are spraying each one of the kids' shoes, and I swear to you, this stuff works absolute miracles. It smells like essential oils. And we're gonna spray each of the shoes. Okay, because being in an RV with the kids, woo, doggy. Shoes are deodorized and movie is now in session. Yeah, okay, good night, kids. Okay.
The red popcorn is so good. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Okay, can we set the camera right here? Is that good? Yeah, that's great. Okay. Is that fine? Just so we don't have to hear the kids. Okay, it is Valentine's Day. Normally I am the one that, like, you know, doesn't really do a lot for Valentine's Day. But I am excited for you to open this.
To Joel, for Joel from Bonnie.
Don't do that.
Trying to guess what it is.
Don't break it.
New underwear.
You could use a little on the RV trip.
What's this? What is this? Aww. Where did you find this?
I had it made.
You had it made? Is that why you were asking me about that? Aww, this is so sweet.
Okay, before we move on.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
All the way? I'm just enjoying it. Oh, sweet.
Joel and I used to always buy each other Kim Anderson cards when we were like dating. And so I found, so I found a Kim Anderson picture and I sent it to the guy and he was able to imprint it onto a leather book.
Oh, so
And I
cute.
had him write, I love you because.
Aw. Well, what's inside? Did you write in a bunch of these?
Well, I have way more to write, but obviously just ran out of a little bit of time.
2/14/22. You did not write that this morning. Happy Valentine's Day to my Jolie. What better way to celebrate than with our 4 children, puppy, and RV, and my parents caravanning behind us, and the Florida Keys ahead of us. I love you, love Bonnie. Oh my gosh. My dear sweet Joel.
Look at Joel.
Jole.
That's the first letter I ever wrote to Joel. I spelled his name Jole.
Love it. I hope that's spelled right. I think that's what it said. I love you because I have a terrible memory, and I think the most sad thing that could ever happen to me is if I forget all the reasons I fell in love with you and all the things that keep me in love with you. So let's start from the beginning. My first memory of you were sitting under the pine trees at Sandridge Park. We sat and laughed. We walked the park and terrorized the magician. Magic sucks.
What's these?
I feel like I must.
Who wrapped this?
Cody did for me. He was my helper.
Okay. Okay, Cody wrapped this. I tried getting him to tell me.
He didn't spill the beans. Good boy.
Well, he goes, how much would you pay me?
There's technically 2 here.
Okay.
So.
Is this? Oh! Is this the pink one that I'm running out of?
Yeah.
Yeah!
I heard you say it like a month ago, and I was like, oh, get it.
Oh my gosh, Joel, you're the smartest man alive. I love perfume so much. This is the best perfume in the world. This is the lotion to the original Daisy.
Oh, is it? But you don't get the original. This is
no, yeah. Well, I have both. The pink one is the best. So, And I have it here and it's literally almost gone. Like it won't last me the full month here.
Yeah, that's why I was like,
Yay! Thank you! So this one.
that was for Sissy. Should we let her come open it?
Yeah. Tell me why you got Olivia a present.
I don't know. I just saw him and thought, my little Sissy needs to know her dad. Like she's her dad's old Valentine too.
That's really sweet.
Olivia! Come. I just think you're right outside the door. Come here. Are you in your sleeping bag?
Yes.
Oh,
It's okay, you can come in here.
Scared.
you're gonna ruin that sleeping bag. Okay.
I'm frozen.
I have a Valentine's for you.
Is it garbage?
No. No, I got one for Mom, but Cody helped me wrap them and he wrapped them both together. So Mom unwrapped it, but you get to unwrap the second half of it.
I thought you were gonna be like, go the other way. I'm like, oh, okay.
Happy Valentine's Day.
What do you want to say to her?
I wanted to get you a Valentine so that you knew that you are my little Valentine too. Okay? Now open it, you're gonna like it.
Thank you.
And before you open it, Dad is teaching you. You don't even know it, but you are teaching. Well, you probably do know it. You're teaching her how a boy is supposed to
Never let a boy
teach
treat you
her.
different than me.
If he doesn't treat you better than your dad does, then you
When I
don't.
was little, I was like, I'm just gonna marry Dad. That's it. I'm not wasting time.
Find someone that treats you better than Dad treats you, or you can't marry him.
Okay.
Okay. Well, you can. You just won't be happy.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of tape.
Just pull the paper.
That's already unwrapped.
Yeah, it's halfway unwrapped already. Just...
Do you know what it is?
No.
Open the little box.
It's the flower thing.
Yes, it's the flower perfume.
I saw the phone, I'm like, oh, wait.
And it comes with little samples too. You can
Isn't that fun?
That's so cute. Open it. Can I?
Joel, that was very nice of you.
Oh, nice.
That was very
We got
nice.
this
Wait,
for
wasn't I with you in the mall? You were like, oh, wait.
Well, I was gonna buy them with you. Her with me, and I was like, oh no, I can't. One she'll talk, and two she'll know.
Hey, I'm good with keeping secrets from Mom.
I don't know. I didn't trust
Okay.
her. So I was like, Lincoln, he won't know the difference.
He'll just think, okay.
That's the right one, right?
Yes,
I thought
tell me that's not
Yes,
so,
that's so pretty.
gorgeous.
See, and now I have like a collection. I made
Oh.
a bowl in like my class, and I keep like all my like scents, not scents,
Perfumes?
perfumes.
Yeah, scents is great.
Perfumas?
Aw, thank
won't
you,
break it.
Joel.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Pinko, it smells really good. Pinko.
Oh, I like both of our presents smell good.
Alright, thank you guys for spending Valentine's with us. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Wave to it. You can just walk past.
We need water. My shoes are dazzling.
It's really weird having the camera down there. Maybe we could like stack it in here. Okay, that's a little better. The lighting is, you know. All right.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
Are you okay?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I heard you screaming. I was like,
Ooh. Comes with this.
What are you learning the samba in there? Our kids have actually asked us that on an RV trip before. Use your imagination. Okay.